Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Z1x smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set ringtone on your phone Vivo Z1x. First of all, go to the settings. Click here for settings. Now click on sound and vibration. Click on SIM1 incoming call ringtone. Click on custom ringtone. Here you can select any file from your local folder. If you have any music file, it will be listed here and you can select any one. Then these are all the system ringtones, just select any one. I have selected this one and go back to activate. Again click on SIM2 incoming call ringtone and click on custom ringtone. These are all the files which you have on your phone. Then these are all system ringtones, just select any one. Go back to activate. Then SIM1 message tone. This is also similar to what I had done earlier. You can choose from custom tone or you can select from the system tones. These are all system tones. Just select any one and go back to activate. Again click on SIM2 message tone. This is also similar to what I had done for SIM1 message tone. Just select any music file from local folder or select system tones. Then calendar alert ringtones. This is also similar to what I had done earlier. You can choose from custom ringtone or choose from system ringtones. These are all the system ringtones. Select any one and go back to activate. Then notification ringtone. Click that and you can change notification ringtone here. You can select custom ringtone or select system ringtone. These are the system ringtones. Just select any one and go back to activate. Then alarm ringtone. This is also similar to what I had done earlier. You can select from custom ringtone or select from system ringtones. Go back to activate. Then you can control some tones like tilepad touch tone, touch sound, screen lock sound, screen capture tone, message sent sound. Just you can turn on or turn off. In this way you can easily set ringtones and control other tones on your phone Vivo Z1x. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.